Hello, how are you? So I decided to bring you today's video because this has been on my mind, and I think when we say my people perish for lack of knowledge, I don't want you to perish because of lack of knowledge. So this is why I'm bringing you this live video. And this time around, what are we talking about? What is this whole thing? What is it about? So I've titled this video HND is a blessing. In Canada, you have more advantage over BSc holders. This sounds funny, this sounds untrue, but trust me, this is the truth. Now, I'm not saying that people that have BSc don't have advantage. So my point is, if you think that somebody that have BSc has this amount of advantage, which is high, right? If you have HND, or if you know someone who has HND, in Canada they have this amount of advantage, which is what? Higher than someone who has a BSc. Okay, so if you have BSc, don't cry. You still have your advantage, right? And I'm going to give you two major reasons, among other reasons, two major reasons why I came up with that opinion. So in Canada, like, contrary to a lot of African countries that I've been to, that this is now I'm specifically talking about Nigeria and Ghana, to be precise. A lot of time HND is seen to be below BSc, correct? The answer is yes. But in Canada, usually they look at you based on the number of time, the amount of time you spent in school, like how long was the program. So most times people that did HND between their ND, which is 2 years, and HND, which is like another 2 years, and internship and everything, they usually have an extended length of study. So why you in your head you are thinking, HND? No, Canada is looking at it like, the Canadian education system is looking at it like, these people spent a large amount of time in school doing school work. You get? So that's the way it is being looked at, not the way you are looking at it. So if you have HND, stay put, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, the first reason why I said HND is better, right? Is because, not that it's better that, okay, now you should throw your BSc away and go, but this video is meant for people who have HND. I want you to receive sense. I want you to know that you are sitting on a gold mine, but because you don't know, you don't have this knowledge, you are shortchanging yourself. So what usually happens is that someone who has HND already have 2 degrees, even though they are of shorter length. So those 2 degrees, quite alright, they won't be counted as masters, but it is seen as though that person have gone beyond BSc. So because of that, in Canada, even with HND, you can comfortably get master's position. In Nigeria, with HND, for instance, you can't get master's position. You probably have to go do your PGD first. It is not the same thing. Because I have people reach out to me and say, oh, I have HND. Or when I say you can apply for scholarship, masters with scholarship in Canada, some people will be like, I have HND. Is that still possible? My dear, you don't even know that for you it is even more possible compared to somebody else who has BSc. Do you get? So your academic program is seen as two academic programs, right? With the amount of time you spend in school, it is seen as though you spend a way longer time than somebody who has BSc, and also have more experience because of the time you spend outside of school doing internships and all that before you even graduate, both after your ND and also after your HND program. So it is a blessing and not a curse. In Canada, you can get masters with HND direct. You don't need a PGD. And if you not even have a PGD, that means you have HND and PGD. It is like you have to, not that it is like, you actually have 3 certificates. So you are seen as a very advanced person compared to somebody who have BSc. So if you have HND and you have PGD, oh my God, it's like you are way high up there. The way it is looked at is as if you already have a master's with that PGD safe. So if you're applying for masters, it's like snap of finger. Once you can put your application right, you get the scholarship. So don't let anybody deceive you, or don't go there feeling bad and you will not be able to grab what belongs to you. So you are at a more advantage compared to someone who have BSc in Canada. Now, the other reason I said HND is a blessing. I don't know how many people know this, right? If you have HND, have you seen somebody who evaluated their result with WES? WES is a body that evaluates transcripts. Let's say for people that want to come to Canada for this express entry or something. Do you know that if you have BSc, even though you qualify to enter that pool, you will not have enough score to come to Canada? You understand? But somebody who have HND, when they verify their result, it is counted as 2 degree. WES count it as 2 degrees, so they have higher score than somebody who have BSc. This is strange, but this is true. So, some people say, some people that have HND, they don't know their correct score to choose. They will not go and choose that they have BSc. They don't know that they are supposed to choose that they have 2 degrees. So once you have HND and you, let's say for people coming for express entry, and you choose that you have 2 degrees, you have more score than someone who have BSc. So you see that HND is a blessing. It's not a curse. And that is why I keep repeating that. You have more advantage when it comes to coming to Canada. Or like you have more advantage when it comes to any Canadian store, whether it's school or express entry or whatever. You have more advantage than someone who has a BSc. You don't know that. This sounds like joke, but it is very true. So what that means is that somebody who has a HND is, let's say if every other thing is right, it's very easy for them to come to Canada through express entry. Meanwhile, somebody who have BSc, no matter what, even if you have 3 years work experience, your score will be very low. You can't come through express entry, except let's say you have a master's or another degree. Then if you have okay, let me just leave that other point. So these are the 2 ways in which HND is better than BSc for people that studied outside of that studied in Nigeria or Ghana and they are coming to Canada. So this is revealing, right? This is shocking, right? But it is true. I'm not making this story up. Obviously, you know, I can't joke with that. I'm not making this story up. So if you have HND, or you have anybody that has if you know anybody that has HND, share this video with them, because this is their reality. They don't know. So because of the way where they are coming from, like Nigeria also, they will just feel that the mentality around HND is the mentality all over the world. It is not. There is a place that appreciates the length of time you spend in school. It's okay. Clean your tears. Congratulations if you have HND. Congratulations, okay? Congratulations if you have HND. So I have to go now. Thank you. Bye-bye.